Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I took this $15 pine stair tread from one of the big box stores and turned it into this. A $145 towel rack selling in several shops on Etsy, getting good sales. Super easy to make. Let's get into it. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll highlight some of these Etsy sellers with this very same style of towel rack. I like using this pine stair tread because it is an inch thick. So it looks a lot better in my opinion than the 3/4 inch stock, and of course isn't as large as the 1.5 inch thick construction lumber, so it doesn't look like it's made out of construction lumber. I cut these at 1 3/4 inch, and then I cut 2 at 8 inches for the back pieces, 4 at 6 inches for the sides, and 2 at 32 for the long pieces. I'm only using pocket holes on the 2 back pieces because that will be against the wall and you won't see it. For the other parts, I'm going to use a Forstner bit. I'm going to make a hole in which I will put the screw and then use a button to cover the hole. I'm going to demonstrate that real quick here. I'll do 4 more holes with the Forstner bit so that you can easily hang this with wall anchors and then cover them up with the buttons. And that's it. The whole project took less than 30 minutes. Here's some Etsy sellers selling the same thing, getting some sales and some attention on their products. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now get out there and get building. See you later.